Alright, hello everyone. It is time for basement fire alarm test 51. So we're finally switching it up from the simplex theme that I've been carrying for the last several tests. So now we're back to doing some non-simplex stuff. So yeah, I guess one thing I wanted to point out here is that, we'll see if it does it here, but the LCD on this panel has been bugging out a lot more frequently than it has been in the past. Like, see, it just did. Trying to focus on the screen there. You can see it's periodically switching out characters, which I'm not quite sure what's wrong there, but it's not big enough of a deal that I want to do anything about it yet, although this could be something that I have to fix at some point. So just wanted to point that out. But anyway, for now it stays, so we're going to look at our devices. Starting right off down here, we got my Firelight BG8. There it is. I thought about installing the stopper for today, but I didn't. Might do that next time around. But another thing is I think I'm going to have to replace the back box behind here pretty soon, because the screws don't hold as tight anymore, and you can see that this pull station is moving around quite a bit. But again, that's a problem for another day, not right this second. Anyway, there it is, BG8. You can see it is in fact a Firelight branded one. As you can see right there, Firelight BG8. Moving on. Up above there we have my Gentex Commander 3 GEC3-24WW. If I'm not mistaken, that strobe is on 60 candela. And it is set on 2400 Hertz continuous, but the panel will be coding it to March time. So that's going to be pretty cool sounding. It's wired as a 4-wire device, so we'll be getting some audible silence action as well. So yeah, just a new and different theme compared to the simplex theme that we've been using for the last, I don't know, 5 or 6 videos. So yeah, there we are. Let's pull the BG8. And there we are. So now, we'll go look at the pull station. You might be able to see right in there, that is a BG8 is listed in there. Sorry about that. But I'll go ahead and let you take a look at the label right in there, if you want to pause and look at it. But there it is. Let me get my keys out of my pocket. We will find the Firelight key in here. There it is. Firelight 17003 key. So you just put it in and turn it to your right, close and put the key back and reset. And that's that. Audible silence. And we'll reset, although I have a little bit more in store. So this is not going to be the end of the video. So, let's continue. Alright, so since the Commander 3 is a multi-tone alarm, I want to go ahead and change the tone. And we'll do a test on a different tone. So again, as I said, 60 candela. But we'll mess with these dip switches here. Actually, let's pull this off first. And we'll change some dip switches. We'll set it to just regular horn, I think. Okay, that should be regular horn. So we'll go ahead and slide this back on the bracket, like so, and install the cover. And I set it on electromechanical horn, so just the default tone. It is on code 3, but again, since this panel is on march time, it'll do march time. So, I'm not going to do the detector today. I don't know where my smoke is, so we will just deactivate this pull station. Alright, I think that's enough noise for tonight, so we'll go ahead and reset, and you can see the LCD bugging again. Very, very nice. That was sarcastic if you didn't pick it up. Anyway, that is all I got for you tonight. So as always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you and have a great day.